Art, start, go. In this video, we will draw a snow globe with colored pencils. If you haven't already, don't forget to subscribe now for more videos on how to draw and create art. The colors used for this drawing are True Blue, Black Cherry, and Crimson Red. True Blue was used for almost all of the inside of the snow globe. Crimson Red was used for the snowman's nose and scarf. Black Cherry was used for the base of the snow globe and also to darken the elements of the tree and snowman. As I make new videos, I want to share them with you, so subscribe now. Also comment, like, and check out some of the other content on our channel.